Hi everyone! Right, we've just eaten all of our food here at the Burger Kitchen and excuse me, that's another one for the bloopers, I apologise. Robin, how was yours?
I don't even know why I come out with you.
Just come off the Smiler and for a 5-minute wait. Was that quite accurate? Was it a 5-minute wait? Was it a 5-minute wait?
Well, it was probably about 10 minutes.
So we've now made our way over to Katanga Canyon, where Robin just nearly fell over then. That's one for the bloopers, really. If only.
Catch me, you didn't catch me.
Oh no, never mind. Just nearly fell over. That'd have been hilarious if we'd have caught that on camera. Anyway, we've made our way to Katanga. Oh, it's dead calming in here. I'm just getting you pulling your pants up. One for the bloopers.
At least it's dark.
Yeah, well, yeah. There you go, Eden's going to have a go down here. Come on, Eden. Come on, Eden. Oh, yeah, nice little ride. Did Eden like it?
No, you didn't. You said it's scary. It's not scary.
No. Well, should we go and find something that is scary? Should we find the ghost train? Oh, I'm zooming in on you. Sorry. Hi. I don't know what I'm doing with this. I best put it down before I do something dangerous.
Nobody wants to see that close up to me.
Bye. So that's what we've got to look forward to. We really enjoyed Ico. I mean, having a walk on a Saturday.
It's a Sunday, actually.
Sorry, having a walk on. I don't even know what day of the week it is. I've lost all track of. That's one for the bloopers. So I'll start again. We'll cut that bit out. Don't worry about it. So for a Sunday opening weekend, it is opening weekend, isn't it? I'm not just made that up. Having a walk on is absolutely amazing. So yeah, we're going to go enjoy some more rides now. So we'll see what everything else is doing because it seems to be quiet everywhere. That's the end of the day here at Tibidabo, and it's been one of them days really. We should have known from when we got here. The hour queue just to get here, just to get parked up, should I say, not to get here. It took us a wrong way.
Do you want to start filming that again?
Oh, it's knocked it back on!
Oh no!
Oh!
Yeah, €1 more.
So here we go, I've got one more go here. One more go.
Here you go, man.
And out. Here we go. Oh, he's going to get it now. Oh no. Here we go, it's going to. There's the prize out!
How did you get it?
Oh, gotta wait. There we go. So how do we get that out?
I don't know.
It's a slide. Oh.
No, we have more.
Right, well we've won anyway. I still have to get it out. That was Casper's second go. How was it? It was good because there was nobody. Hi everyone! Move on now because we're going to go on to the... Oh, hello, I'm zooming in.
It's a big day. It's a big day for you. What did you do?
Oh God, I did a drop tower,
You did a baby drop tower.
A baby
one. And how was it?
Well, I don't do drop towers at all, including that. When I go on Tower of Terror, I absolutely crap my pants when I go on that.
It's a family channel.
I mean, we'll bleep it out, it's fine, we'll bleep it out. Casper, cover your ears. Eden's falling over. Oh, come here. So that's the end of our day here. Oh, hold on. It's a little bit droppy down there. That'll do. Hang on. There we go. So that's the end. I'll start again. Okay.
Wait, Dad, can I come over and watch?
Yeah.
You down, come over and watch. Don't come over and watch.
Do you want a banana or crisp?
Can I have some crisp?
Hold on. Hold on. Whoa.
No.
There for you, Eden. No?
No.
You have them, Casper. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Mummy's doing it. Mummy's doing it. She's doing it now.
Stop.
Eden have just been on the Matterhorn, it's called, which is the wave rider with the loud music. I'm glad to get over here and get away from the loud music. It's not you then. I'm so sorry. That's really gross. I apologise. Can we cut that out? Because
Just start again.
Jumbo's there. Well, that took a bit of oomph for us to get to the top there, didn't it? Oh, we're woman down. Oh no. Oh, we're back in a minute. Oops. So here's the hole number 1. As you can see. Oh, jeez. Hi guys, we are here at the Davy Crockett's Lands, and oh my god. Good morning. Oh, why are you in this side? Good morning from Park Asterix. It's another Thrills and Food vlog. Well, he said they hate.
Just like a...
Right, that's the end of our day here at Alton Towers. The main question that we was asking ourselves during this vlog was, are the fast passes worth it? And the answer's kind of yes and no in a weird sort of way. We have got on stuff that we wouldn't normally have got on. However, I don't think we've been on as much stuff that we would have gone on, if that makes sense. And we've probably been done in slightly by the ops as well, because at the start of the day we had Rita that was closed. We had. Should we just come off? Another. Hello. Good morning everyone from the historic city, city isn't it? The city of Philadelphia, which is one of the... So me and Casper have just come off Racer, the the 2 tracks of Racer, the Woody coaster. Again, there's no more I filming, you can see. So that's the end of our day here at, where are we?
Start again.
Yeah, okay.
I don't think Eda likes that, does she?
Walk off it!
Go on, Casper, you going?
No!
No?
Not a chance.
No?
Not a chance.